That's good. All right, so we're recording now, and we will go in 3, 2. What's up, everybody? I'm John.
I'm Amber.
And we're the coordinators for this year's NWA Student Conference.
We're super excited about this year's activities and wanted to talk to you a little bit and introduce ourselves and give you a better feel for what you can expect at this year's virtual student conference. John, can you tell everyone a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely, Amber. I currently work at the National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania. I enjoy eating ice cream, mowing grass, cheering on the Atlanta Braves, and bleeding scarlet and gray from my alma mater, the Ohio State University. How about you, Amber?
Well, John, I currently work for the Pennsylvania Department of Health as the Public Information Officer and a freelance broadcast meteorologist at the ABC affiliate here in Harrisburg, PA. So in my spare time, I enjoy being a dog mom, a balloon artist, and cheering on the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Love that. Well, through the course of our combined experiences in our short careers, Amber and I developed a passion for helping students and early career professionals learn about the wide array of possibilities within the field of meteorology and related fields. And in fact, that happens to be the focus of this year's student conference. Amber, if students attend, what can they expect?
So throughout the day, you'll hear from speakers from across the field of meteorology, and we'll be having talks that fit really well with this year's annual meeting theme, which is Forward Together. So you're going to hear talks about operational meteorology in the age of artificial intelligence, analytics, and digital communications. You'll hear how one grad student is using artificial intelligence to improve tornado warning issuance, which is really cool. Listen to a talk about how weather is going to affect economics in the years to come, and hear a particularly relevant conversation about adapting to the virtual work environments from meteorologists across multiple sectors. What else, John?
The next part of the student conference this year is going to be one of my personal favorite parts. What is that, you might ask? Well, it's speed mentoring. Some of you who have attended in the past are familiar with this, but this year we are pumped to have professionals from 8 different sectors in meteorology and related fields. Over the course of this 2-hour-long session, you'll have the chance to rotate through each room and network with these folks from various sectors. It's one of the best opportunities to form key networks that will undoubtedly set you up on a great course for your career. After that structured rotation, we'll then have a chance to follow up with folks in TV, the private sector, EMs, and many others if you're interested. Perhaps the folks on the East Coast can eat some dinner, folks on the West Coast enjoy a mid-afternoon snack. But we cannot stress how important networking is at this stage in your career, and we strongly recommend signing up for this year's student conference. Now, Amber, how can they sign up?
Yeah, so it's really simple. Just visit www.nwas.org and look for the registration link, which is towards the top of the page. Now, the coolest part about this year's conference is that it's super cheap. So it's only $50 for student members and $65 for non-members. And another cool thing is that you'll have access to all the content from the annual meeting. John, what else should they know?
Yeah, Amber, as we close, I just want to go over 2 specific things. First, we cannot speak highly enough for what this conference has meant to our personal careers over the past several years and what it's done to launch our careers. We promise you're going to learn a lot by attending, and maybe you'll even make a connection that will lead to an internship next summer or a job down the road. Now, the second thing is bring your questions. We're going to have some time in the afternoon at the student conference where Amber and I are going to be able to receive your questions, whether related to meteorology or life or whatever it might be. We really want to share our experiences with you and help get you to where you want to go.
So, John, we forgot the most important things.
Amber, what's that?
When is it?
Yes, that is probably the most important detail that I want to know. This year's student conference, Sunday, September 13th, from 12 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Amber, that was the first thing. What's another thing we forgot?
Don't forget to bring food to enjoy while you listen and participate.
Very, very important. Well, Amber, I think they have all they need at this point. If you guys have any questions over the next couple of weeks, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Amber and I are both active on Twitter, or you can email us with the addresses listed below. We cannot wait to see you, even if virtually, here in a couple weeks.
Have a great week, everyone. Don't forget to sign up and bring a friend.
We'll see you guys very soon.